Friends, here I am going to discuss the topic clinical research. What is the clinical research? Clinical research, it is the branch of the healthcare science which is determine the safety and efficacy of the medications, also related to the devices and any other diagnostic products. This is called clinical research, and this clinical research also helps to prevention and diagnosis of the any other diseases. Then there what there then What is the purpose of this clinical research? Purpose of this clinical research is developing the treatments, then identifying the diseases, ensuring the safety, and also increase the detection and diagnosis of the diseases, then also increase the health and quality of the life. These are the some purpose of this clinical research. Then there are also two types of this clinical research. These are the interventional trials and observational trials. What is the observational trials? Observational trials, that means there is only observe the health related issue in the group of the peoples, and there is no given the treatment. These are the observational trials. And in the interventional trials, there is only given the treatment and given the treatment in the group, in the large of the people, and determine the how the effect of that drug on the people. This is the interventional trial. And then there are some stages prior to the human trials, like preclinical trials. Preclinical trials, which is the occurs in the that means there is a testing of the new drugs in the experimental animals, like mouse. And then there is a in this preclinical testing, there is the pharmacokinetic profiling, checking of this pharmacokinetic profiling. That means there is a checking of the drug by using this pharmacokinetic profiling. That means absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of the drugs. Then also checking the pharmacological activity. Then also in these preclinical trials, checking the toxicological testing of the drug. Then after that preclinical trials, they give the given regulatory approval to conduct the clinical trials. Then in a clinical trials, that means there is a testing of the new drugs on the human body to checking the safety and efficacy of the new drugs. After that, preclinical trials. There are 4 pages in these clinical trials. In that first phase first is the to checking the safety of the drugs, and they are given only small number of the volunteers to checking the safety of the drugs, like 10 to 100 volunteers only given in that phase. In phase 2, to checking the efficacy of the drug, to check the how the effect of the drug on the human body, and there is given 100 to 300 people. In phase 3, they are checking the both safety and efficacy of the drugs. And after that and they are given a large number of the people to checking the safety and efficacy of the drug. Then after that phase 3, they are given the regulatory approval to the drug to the marketing the drug. There is then after that phase 3, there is occur phase 4, Phase 4 is the post-marketing surveillance. That means launch the drug and monitoring the long-term safety and effectiveness of the drug. This is the last phase of the clinical trials. These are the 4 phases of these clinical trials. Then thank you.